Hey, I'm Larry with Basic Man 101, and today I'm going to clean and polish my boots, and I'm going to show you guys how I do it. These are Thursday boots. They're called Captains. I wear these all the time. If you see me, you probably see me wearing these. I think I've had these for, I don't know, maybe 4 or 5 years now. It's been about a year since I've cleaned and polished them or conditioned them. You can see that's starting to have a lot of wear here, some over here, all on the back. You can see right here. And they are a bit dirty, so first what you want to do is you want to take the shoelaces out. Let's get started. These aren't the original shoelaces from Thursday boots. I've already replaced them. And what I like about Thursday boots is they're not too expensive. These were around $200. And it's real leather. You have the soles where you could remove them to have them replaced if they go bad or if they get worn down too much. I haven't had a need to do that yet, but and I probably won't. I think for $200 I'll just buy some new ones. But these have lasted a long time. Like I said, I think I've had these, I don't know, maybe 5 years or something like that. It does have some stitching here that came undone, but I think that's pretty much all the wear. There's no cuts, nothing coming undone by the soles. Still no cracks in them. Let's see, let's check this side. Now when I first got this, it did feel kind of weird. It kind of rubbed in the back of my heel. But after I broke them in, I don't feel them anymore. It does have a spot in the back where you could see where it's wore. I don't know if you could see that in there, but it's just straight to the back of the leather. Let's see on this side. Yeah, on this side it's still good. It hasn't worn down or worn through. Anyways, they're great boots. So I'm going to clean them up and get some polish on there. First, what you want to do is you want to get all the dirt off. So you get a brush, and then you just try to knock all that dirt off. You want to get on the top of the soles as well, where the leather goes into the sole. And you want to get deep inside those creases. Make sure you get all that dirt out. Oh, actually there is some stitching right there that's coming undone. Not too bad. Actually, I could probably just cut that off. Okay. So now I'll move this brush to the side. I did buy a pack from Thursday Boots. It comes with a small brush, has your waterproofing spray, your leather conditioner, and then your cleaner. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean them first. Spray the boots down. Okay, next you want to set these to the side and let them dry for a little bit, maybe 5 or 10 minutes before you put your conditioner on. Alright, now that these have dried a little bit, now we're going to add the conditioner. And you want to work it in. Make sure you get inside those creases. And it'll just absorb all the conditioner where it's dry. You can see I need more. Just work it in really good. Get where the leather meets the top of the soles. Tongue really good. Okay, so now we'll do the next one.
Time, old chair homes beneath me, blank boards keep the time. If this sounding perfect, that's how I was mine.
Now I'm not going to put the waterproofing spray on these boots. So do is just. Now I'm gonna just kind of buff that a little bit with a small clean brush. I'm gonna try to cut these little pieces. Yeah, you can kind of see where it's coming undone here. Probably shouldn't cut this because then it might fray more. Not really sure what I could do here. Maybe just leave it alone. Oh yeah, got this spot right here. I'll just try to cut that off. See, scissors. You know, if you guys have any thoughts, let me know. What do you think I should do with this? How I could fix that? I have a feeling if I don't fix it, it's just going to keep pulling through. I could sew it, but, you know, is it worth it? So let me know. Do you think I should cut this? Cut it here and here and see what happens, or just let it go? You know, so other than this, these boots still are in really good shape. They look pretty new. You know, they're nice and worn in. Alright, so now we put the shoelaces in. Okay guys, these Thursday boot captains are ready to go. I think they look 100 times better than they did before. I'll try to do a side-by-side picture so you can see the difference. So let me know if you polish or clean your boots different than what I do. I'm sure there's multiple ways, but this is how I do mine. So that's all I have for this video. Have a great day.